Greetings everyone. The launch of this book is actually quite timely. It comes after the 1st of November when people have spoken loud and clear as to how they feel about things happening in the country. A lot has been said about His Excellency President Zuma. A lot of falsehoods, a lot of untruths have been told. This book is about setting the record straight. It's got verbatim accounts of people that today are very quiet, yet they said a lot of flowery stuff during those 9 years. So this book is really going to reveal a lot. A lot of things have been said, and so we hope that everyone, before you comment on anything, please read this book, and then we're ready to take comments thereafter. Thank you.
I feel very good that some South Africans who are patriots have felt that it was not fair for those South Africans who think differently to tell the kind of stories that were not true, the untruth about the work that we have done, who really demonstrated that the truth is important in society, for the society to be well informed, to know what has happened. Because there is no use to create stories because you have a powerful machinery to do so.
I just want to let South Africa know that this is going to be the first of many books that my dad is going to be writing and involved in. And the book that you're all waiting for will be coming soon as well.